Hey everyone, welcome back to Chimed Faith, and I'm going to be planning today in my Hobonichi cousin Techo. I am planning for the week of April 20th to April 26th. I'm super excited about this week because it's my husband's birthday. I already put that in there, so I'm just going to add some more fun stuff to it. It's going to be a fun week. I'm excited for, I don't know, I'm just excited for the spring weather and sunshine and yeah, moving on. So since I already put this in here, I was trying to decide what to do. My thought was to kind of go off these greens and blues here. But yeah, I just don't know. I have this really pretty, it's kind of like a shell. Sort of would go with the greens and blues, and maybe I'll do that. My husband's favorite color is green, so yeah, we'll just do that. Let's head that direction. Okay. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it around the happy birthday. I guess I'll just kind of, I don't know, go in the middle of it a little bit. I'm not obviously going over it, but I want it to be on that page a little. That's probably okay. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. It's a little crooked. Oh, crooked. I do like this washi tape. It's super pretty. And I feel like it pulls different colors depending on what you put with it. If that makes any sense. So I always put my washi tape here. I found that it really works. I love it. It's a great area for gratitude and grocery lists or things that I need to do, or yeah, just kind of whatever comes my way. Don't know where my X-Acto knife is, so I'm going to try to do this with scissors and see how straight or unstraight I get it. It's actually not too bad. These scissors are pretty awesome. They're super sharp, and I love, they're very what are they called? Precision, I think. Anyways, they work well. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. So because his favorites are blues or greens, really, but I want to pull some blues because of that. I have some stickers picked up. And I thought maybe I'd add some balloons if I can find where my balloons are, but we'll see. I might not. Kind of got a mess. I feel like planning is one of those things that sometimes it just takes on its own monster. All of the fun stuff that you can add, it gets out of control, and sometimes it's hard to keep organized. Maybe that's just me, but it seems like it so quickly gets messy. Celebrations. Thought I had some more birthday. Time to celebrate might be fun. It's kind of New Year's-ish, but because I have the gold here, maybe we can put that up there. I don't know, maybe. Well, I don't know where my birthdays are. That's a bummer. Tucked away somewhere special, I'm sure. Okay, so I thought maybe we could just start laying down some of these from the sheet I put together of the colors and stickers I really want to use. And yeah, put that there. Don't know what we're doing yet for his birthday. Maybe I should figure that one out, huh? It's not really the blues I was looking for, but you know, sometimes you go with what you got. I have these greens too. That probably would have been a better one. Kind of like this Happy Life sticker. So, but I really wanted to put it here. So we're gonna do a little sticker surgery. and make it work. Kind of cute. Still got plenty of room to write. I don't know, I'm slowly getting there, I think. Maybe throw this down here. Let's see. Put it right here. And then see if I have any blue ones. I don't think I do. So we'll do a trust one on Tuesday. Just little reminders throughout the week. And then I really like this Choose Happy, but it's kind of multicolored. But it does have a blue and green in it. So I think I can get away with it, maybe. I guess if I choose to get away with it, right? It is my planner. I just love those like reminders when I'm in my week. Okay. That's crooked, isn't it? I totally did it crooked. Oh my goodness sakes. You'd think with all the lines in the Hobonichi that I would not have this issue, but guess what? I do. Alright. Trying to decide. I normally cover this up, but I don't really have anything picked out to cover it up. So I'm gonna dig through my cute little stickers from Michaels. These are adorable. And see if I have something. This one's kind of cute. See if I have something for one of these. Oh, those are too purple. Okay, I'm kind of digging this dude. Where'd he go? Little sloth guy. It's very green though. I'm gonna do it. We're just gonna make it happen. And then I feel like if I can find my happy birthdays or something, I might put something in that. We'll see. He's kind of cute. He totally doesn't match. Well, we just went the wrong direction. Oh well. How about this guy? You can do this. And we're gonna put it crooked so it fits. Because I don't think it'll fit this way. Maybe. It's okay. Oh, I like that. That's cute. He's so cute. You can do this. So I don't put boxes anymore. I think I've told you guys that for weeks now, though. I just make sure I leave enough for what I have. I feel like it's still, I don't know. It's just not, I feel like it's uneven or something. This is a very random spread. That's okay. We'll do this one. I think maybe that'll balance out the dark blue. Maybe? Or we just made it worse. I don't know. Alright, you guys. So this is how I do my week view in my Hobonichi. I use this area for to-do list, shopping list, things to remember for the following week, things that I need to catch up on that I'm just like forgetting, and so I write it down here. This area I definitely use. I use the hours. I use, what my kids are doing, what my husband's got going on, what I have going on, business, personal, you name it. It all goes in here. But this seems to work for me. So I love the Hobonichi cousin. This is the Checho for 2020. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So this is my super simple spread. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and have a very blessed day.